Welcome back to J286 with Nightingale, and yeah, basics. So you can do what looks like a body. Whoa, that's kind of select. What? Oh, that's pretty cool. Weird, but cool. Okay. Give me a minute. Select that guy. That lady. I don't know what this is. Oh wait, whoa. Is this really doing what I think it's doing? That's a guy. That's a lady. Whoa. Oh, that's kind of crazy. Does this really change that much? I don't think it's gonna. I think that's gonna change that much. Let's just go there. Whoa, that's pretty insane that you can do that though. Let's just. There. That'll do. Step 3. Select the stuff and circumstances for your character. Change and evolve. Nightingale's evolving. Equip. Shoddy. Boots. Rugged. Oh! Whoa. Modest. Arcane. No, we're not doing that. Oh, fancy. No. How is that not funny? Yeah, we'll stick with that. Load out. What? Ooh, we have yeah. Story. Academic. What? We'll stick with that. We're not really sure what we're doing anyway. Yeah. Hang on. Balanced. Ooh. No. Nope. Champion. No. We'll stick with balanced. Balance seems to work. Finalize. Tap. Oh, I think I just got to tap finalize. I'm done. Play. Oh. I mean. Oh, I'm sorry, dead dude. Nice. Because I'm guessing we need all these. Wow, this thing. Oh, that's what the counter is at the bottom. Oh my god, what the. There we go. Oh great, there's another one.
Whither wander you, lost in our Feywild? Under this mask, you wonder. I am Puck.
Okay. Let's go. Oh. Oh, relative safety. Nice.
Fly, realm walker. The fiends have caught your despairing stench.
Oh, I'm out. Oh. Ah, well, that didn't take me long. Yeah.
Save yourself.
I feel like I told you I was going to die.
Survive the realms.
Oh, yeah. Fancy looking. Oh, you have them up. We have Crossways. Infestation. It's kind of cool. Hunting knife. Mining pick. Immolation. Alright, so you're telling me exactly where everything is. Nice. A treasured item. Cannot travel to respite. Minor realm cards. Where are we looking? You'd think I'd run that way. So, another fancy thing here. Ah, I don't know what that was. Cured me. Pickaxe. No. That mean I can just hit stone now? Oh! Miss that. Oh, why has it always got to be a big ass? Why is it always spiders? I mean, yeah. No spider. Storage. I think that's why I can't run. I think my backpack is inventory. Getting heavy. Because we got a whole lot of wood. Yeah. And stone. And fancy. Ah! Look at all the things. I don't know what that is. Come. I feel like you're just going to run off, aren't you? Ooh. Release Hope Echo. Yeah. Oh! I found what we'll have to press. No unlock available. Oh! Oh, hello. That's. Oh, this is cool. There's a lot that I'm. Oh. Wow. There is a crazy amount of stuff that you need. I don't know what half that is. I'll tell you what, let's worry about that later. Hey, 10. We're nearly there. Guidebook. Did I open the wrong button? Ooh. Place. And that's just all I need. E. Hold. Auto. Add resources. Yeah! Have I just taken over? Oh, I moved faster already. Yes. I feel like I should probably start paying more attention to what I'm doing. Oh! There's things there that I gotta go kill. Oh, got you. But let's go there for a second. Oh, crap. Yeah, in your face, wolves. In your face. I wonder what the infestation actually is. Thanks, dear. Yeah, run to where I want to have a look at. I'm well about to die, aren't I? Have that feeling? Just slowly wander through. We've got us some stuff. Very happy. I mean, I'm happy about that. New unlock available. Simple short wood bow, free in the. progression menu. Sweet. Yep. What is? I'm out. No. Run away. There you go. You've made a very tiny house with a window. Hang on. Oh, we need a door. What kind of idiot doesn't do a door? Yeah. Tiny house. Yeah. I'm going to leave this here as a... Don't know what I've done. But, yeah. That's got to go bigger. They can stay here. I'm not worried about them. Because I'm guessing I can make another one of them. And that. And that. Because, well, what's one random building? Yeah. I'll leave it here. Alright. I will try and figure out what it is I'm meant to actually be doing. And just explore. And I will be back. And I will show you meeting the people that are definitely over there. Because I'm sure I saw them earlier. And also, they're on my map. So, yes. Settlement, treasured items, quests and stuff. Yeah. But I will see you next time. J2 is out.